Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to briefly go over the decision matrix and explain how to put your designs on it. So, I want to make this relatively quick. So here we have the small drivetrain, and basically what design matrix is meant to do is put multiple design ideas onto this little sheet and basically rank it to see which design would work the best. So here, for example, is the X-train that we decided, 74. It was narrow, but they won. So, the designs here, obviously, you put the name of the design, put a picture of it, and then here are categories. So they may differ by the different categories, so like intake, loader, etc., etc. Here's size, speed, mobility, and so on. And basically, you can see here from the weight that it's prioritized differently. Oops, I did not mean to do that. So for example, size here, size is weighted by 7, while time is weighted by 1. And these, the scores here, they are scored from 1 to 4, 4 being the best, 1 being the worst. So for instance, the 4 wheels, 4 motors, it gets a 4 on mobility because it's not too heavy and it can relatively move quite easy and more easier. While here with the 6 motors, it's also quite mobile, but not as much since it has more motors. And you can see here, how the total is actually calculated is you multiply this number by the weight of the category. You do the same with every row. You add them all up, and you get a final score. Now, let me explain to you how exactly to do it. So there are 2 documents you have access to. I'm gonna upload a link for this one shortly after this video is up. So we have the Google Docs, and we have the sheet itself. So first, you need to gain access to the Google Doc. Now, once you get here, you're going to see tabs here on the left of different names. I already did this once. Okay. So what you want to do, click here, put this as your name, whatever it is. And then what you want to do is put the category, put the YouTube link, and the photo. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So here's the intake, for example. I get a photo of whatever video I see online. And then I put a link. It's highly recommended you put a link. You technically don't have to, but it's really recommended just so we can actually see how it works on the fly. So for example, if you go to this video, this is one of my ideas. I took a quick little picture and I have the link right here. So you can see exactly how it works. It's just to make it more easier, more accessible. Now, once you have that, you can get 2. Actually, I'll explain that in a bit. And then what you're going to want to do is find a free space. So some of this has already been done, for example, but you will see some free space here. This one is for Nargis because that's her name. But any one that you see that's open, you know, design 1, design 5, whatever. And we need ones for parking space and assisting components too. So basically find a spot and put your idea out. Because there are so many of us, there might not be enough room. So you could do 1 to 2 ideas. It could be from any category. It could be parking space, design 3, assisting components, design 1. And how you actually want to do it is go to here, insert, image, go to insert, image, and cell, browse, and then it'll let you click a photo, whatever it is on your computer, and then it'll put the image here. And do not score it. Make sure you don't score it. We're going to do that tomorrow on Wednesday. And then here, put your name, briefly describe it. For example, up here, it's kind of like a flap, 6 wheels. This one's a flap intake. However you think will describe it the best. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it. You have to make sure you put your name here. Make sure you put the picture here. Remember, don't score it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it.